Is SQL still relevant for big data in 2026? It's a question on the minds of many in the tech industry. Let's dive in and uncover the role of SQL as we journey through the evolving landscape of big data. SQL, or Structured Query Language, has been a cornerstone for data management for decades. Its intuitive syntax and robust querying capabilities made it the go-to choice for relational databases. But with the surge of big data and non-relational databases, does SQL still hold its ground? In recent years, data volume has skyrocketed, challenging traditional data processing frameworks. However, SQL hasn't been forgotten. Instead, it's evolved. Technologies like Hadoop and Spark offer SQL-like querying interfaces, allowing SQL to remain a powerful tool for data analysts and scientists. SQL remains highly relevant due to its simplicity and the vast number of professionals skilled in it. The advent of new SQL databases extends SQL's capabilities to manage larger, more complex datasets without compromising on transactional integrity. Moreover, the integration of machine learning with big data often leverages SQL for data preparation and analysis. In 2026, businesses will still rely heavily on SQL for data extraction, reporting, and dashboarding due to its readability and community support. SQL's adaptability is its strength. As data infrastructures continue to evolve, SQL adapts, integrating with cloud-based solutions and data lakes. In essence, SQL isn't just surviving, it's thriving. It's a testament to its enduring power that, even in a big data-driven world, SQL remains significant, bridging the gap between traditional data handling and modern analytics. As we look to 2026, the landscape may be different, but SQL still plays a crucial role in navigating and mastering the realm of big data. So, is SQL still relevant for big data in 2026? The answer is a resounding yes. As data grows, so does the utility of SQL, proving that some classics never go out of style. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the incredible world of data and its countless possibilities.